Something strange is happening with the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Just days before launch, a new leak reveals a tiny detail that says a lot about what Samsung is planning. And if you missed it, you might miss the biggest upgrade this year. Because this isn't just another phone. This could be Samsung quietly setting a new standard. Let's take a closer look. You can feel it, the excitement building. Every year there's hype around a new Galaxy Ultra, but this time feels different. And now, with just days to go before launch, a fresh leak has surfaced, and it's giving us a surprisingly important clue, not about specs, not about performance, but how Samsung wants us to see this phone. A leaked image of the retail box, shared by well-known tipster Alf Turk, shows a clean, minimal design at first glance. Nothing shocking, until you notice what Samsung chose to highlight. Instead of showing the full phone silhouette, the box focuses mainly on the camera area. That's not random, that's a message. Samsung is basically telling us the camera is the heart of this device. And honestly, it makes sense, because everything we've heard so far points to massive camera upgrades, possibly the most refined camera system Samsung has ever built into an Ultra device. Even the branding placement has changed, with the name now sitting at the top of the box, giving it a fresher and more premium feel. It's subtle, but it shows Samsung is paying attention to every detail. And when you combine this with earlier promo posters, the picture becomes clearer. We're looking at 4 confirmed colors: black, white, sky blue, and cobalt violet, each giving the phone a bold yet elegant personality. And yes, the S Pen is staying, continuing that Ultra identity that power users love. But the real story is what's inside. Leaks suggest a powerful 200-megapixel main camera, backed by multiple high-resolution lenses that could push mobile photography even further. Add faster performance, smoother daily use, and improved battery life, and you start to see the bigger picture. This isn't just an upgrade. It feels like refinement, like Samsung is polishing every corner of the Ultra experience. And maybe that's why the excitement feels different this year. Because when a company starts focusing on details this small, it usually means something big is coming. With the official launch on February 25th getting closer, we won't have to wait much longer to see if the Galaxy S26 Ultra lives up to the hype. But if these leaks are any indication, this could be one of the most complete Ultra phones Samsung has ever made. And honestly, that's something to be excited about.